You keep thinking and thinking, yet peace never arrives. Today, we won't stop thoughts. We'll stop being ruled by them. If you are watching this right now, it means your mind rarely rests. One thought leaves, another arrives. Old memories, future worries. What if this happens? What if I fail? Overthinking is not thinking too much. Overthinking is not allowing yourself to be at peace. Today, we won't fight the mind. We will gently learn 10 calm habits that slowly quiet the noise inside. Let us begin. Number 1. Stop treating thoughts as enemies. The first habit is simple, but deep. Thoughts will come. That is natural. The problem begins when you try to push them away. The more you resist, the stronger they return. From today, softly say, I am noticing this thought. You are not the thought. You are the one who sees it. This small separation is the first door to peace. Number 2. Return to this moment. Overthinking happens when the body is here, but the mind is elsewhere. Right now, you are breathing. Feel the breath. Notice the rise and fall. In this moment, nothing is wrong. Nothing needs fixing. This moment is safe. Each time the mind runs, return to the breath. Number 3. Stop searching for every answer. Not every question has an answer, and not every answer is needed. Why did this happen? What does this mean? Some questions only exhaust the mind. From today, say, I don't need this answer right now. Peaceful people do not know everything. They simply do not carry every question. Number 4. Do nothing once a day. Yes, nothing. No phone. No fixing. No improving. Just sitting. This quiet time teaches the mind that it doesn't need to run all the time. Overthinking fades when the mind learns to rest. Number 5. Catch the what if. What if this happens? What if that goes wrong? This what if traps the mind in the future. Every time it appears, ask, is this happening right now? Most of the time, the answer is no, and the mind slowly returns. Number 6. Calm the body first. The mind rests on the body. A tense body creates a tense mind. Walk slowly, eat slowly, speak slowly. A calm body naturally creates a calm mind. Number 7. Be gentle with yourself. You judge yourself harshly. I should have known better. I failed. These words tire the mind. From today, say, I am learning. A mind that forgives itself does not need to overthink. Number 8. Not everything needs solving today. Every problem does not require an immediate solution. The mind says, fix everything now. No. Today, handle only today. The future will meet you when it arrives. Number 9. Do not fear silence. Many fear silence because thoughts become louder. But silence is where clarity is born. Silence is not empty. Silence is deep. Number 10. Practice letting go. You do not need to hold everything. Some thoughts, some expectations, some stories. Let them fall. An open hand invites peace. Today, you heard 10 habits. You do not need all of them. Choose one. Practice only that today. Remember, peace is not a distant place. Peace is the absence of pressure. If this video has softened your mind, even a little, take one quiet breath. This silence is your true home.